slash Los Feliz area. Hillside property. As you can see, we're up in the mountains. Customer complained that the crawl space get flooded, the basement, the lower levels, everything get flooded during the rain. We excavated all around. As you can see, it's about 4 or 5 feet deep. What we discovered is the corner of the footings over here is completely broken, damaged, missing, or deteriorated over the time due to the groundwater streams in the area. Okay, this is the other side of the corner, and look underneath over here. You can see the footings completely missing and broken. This is another angle to show you guys how much is missing of these footings and what needs to be done. Yeah guys, this is the end results of our footings installation. Look how pretty it came out. It has 40 bags of concrete, rebars. I'll show you from the other side. Okay guys, this is the other side of the footings. As you remember, yesterday there was a huge hole. We created the footings all the way here. It's running as an L shape, supporting all the corners and looking amazing.